Hands-on demonstration on chart construction. Download and open your file.
Okay, so dalawang file yung nakasend right now. Isang Excel file and then isang PDF file. Okay? So yung Excel file, dyan makukuha natin yung data kung saan tayo mag-hands-on. And then yung PDF file naman po mismo yung step by step. So from the name itself, steps in constructing chart po or steps in chart construction. So yan po yung magiging guide po ninyo. So kahit na bumalik na po tayo sa ating mga offices or natapos na po yung ating training, meron po kayong finished product na file which is yung gagawin natin for this morning, and then yung steps rin po. So pwede nyo pong i-open yung ating step-by-step guide. So lahat po noong gagawin natin ngayon for this morning, nakalagay po dyan in detail po. Okay? So same lang po yung steps na gagawin natin for this morning and yung nakalagay dyan. Okay? So syempre, pinrovide na rin po ng PSRTI dahil alam namin na pagbalik natin sa mga ating kani-kaniyang mga offices and pag natapos ng ating training, yan. So kailangan din natin na medyo may guide or pang-review ng ating mga natutunan. And of course, if you want to share it with your colleagues, so syempre mas maganda yan. So mas maraming nakakaalam, mas maganda. Okay. So I hope at this moment na download na natin ating Excel file dahil yan po yung pinakailangan natin. So let us now start. So I hope you're seeing my screen clearly. So we have here 8 tables. So may 8 tayong tables na paglalaruan or gagawan ng charts. Okay? Siyempre dahil 8 tables, 8 rin yung charts na gagawin. Okay? So for each table, we will be using a chart na na-discuss po kahapon. Okay? So meron tayong 8 different charts na gagawin for this morning.